All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Thursday adverbs. So often. Often. Something that happens every now and then. Every now and then. Often. We often speak with her. The flower often blooms in the summer. I often go to the gym. Yeah. She often talks with me. Yeah. I think he often knows what he is doing. Yeah. I often need to go there. I go there quite often to collect something. Yeah. How cool is that? We often went there in the past. Yes. In the past, we often went there because there is a lot of shops there. Shops. A lot of people. Shops and people there. Yeah. How cool is that? I often write more stories. I often write a lot of lessons and stories. Yeah. How cool is that? How often will the flower bloom? Yeah. Well, very good question. It might bloom once a year. It often blooms once a year, but not much more often than that. Not much more often than that. No. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. So, often. Things that happen every now and then. Every now and then. So, can you use often in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video. Subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. More lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram and Udemy. When you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.